In this video, I will show you how to connect your PayPal account and System IO. All you need to do is click connect and click this one. How to set up? Click this one and watch this, right? It says that add your PayPal AI credentials. So all you need to do is just log in on your PayPal. In here, getting your PayPal, right? Connect your PayPal, getting your PayPal account credential. So all you need to do is log in on your PayPal. I already log in on my PayPal. Click in here, account settings. You must have a business PayPal, okay? Business PayPal. When you are here, just click here, account access, right? Then look for API access. Then click this. Get in here, then you will look for this, right? NVP SOAP API Integration Classic. Okay? So click here. This one, your API signature. Okay? In here. This one, the API username. You need to click this one. Come back in here. Paste here. Then you will get the PayPal password. This one, the PayPal password. So you come back here, password, paste, then signature. Come back here, signature, paste, save. Okay, then refresh. As you can see, it's already connected, but you are not yet done. Click this one. Right? So, then go requesting API signature. Here. We are here already because we are done already in here. Now we are here, right? On this area. So when you are in your PayPal, so you click done, then account settings. Now you come here, notification, right? Here, notification. Then you will click in here, updates. Then this one, all you need, notification URL. It's enabled already, okay? So you will get that one. So when you are here, when you are connecting this one, update, right? In the area of notification URL, you will get this one. Since I'm already connected, right? Because it's already added in my previous System IO account. Right in here, you will click edit. This one, edit IPN. You will click this one and you will write in here, right? You will write in here like this one. Then click receive IPN messages, enabled, then save. Okay? Then now, oh, where it is? Now you are good to go. Done. It says saves. Done. Then you are done right now. So, and that's it for this video, right? It's already connected. Just refresh. Okay, so already you now you can receive payment right now to your PayPal.